Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about how to fix an Android phone that won't charge. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. I have an old Android phone that was working fine 45 minutes ago, but when I came back to it after leaving it alone for a while, it was dead. It's possible that the battery was dead because it was about 5% or less when I left it. I then tried to charge it using a charger, but when I plugged it into my device, it didn't respond and didn't display anything. Why is my Android phone not charging? Is there any way to fix an Android device that won't charge? We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When Android phone won't charge when plugged in occurs, no need to panic. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix Android phone not charging properly problem to turn the device back on. Cause 1. Faulty charger. The solution is to use a different charger. A frayed or old cable can also be the culprit for Android phone is not charging when plugged in, so try a different cable. And your charger may not be working properly, so try a different charger as well. If you have tried a different charger and nothing works, the problem may not be with the charger as much as the cable. Go ahead and try the following. Cause 2. Socket or power supply problem. The solution is to check or change the socket or power supply. The socket or power bank you plugged the charger into may not be working for some reason, which may also make people think that Android phone battery is not charging. So, try other sockets and power banks to see if the problem can be solved. If you are charging through the USB port on the computer, because the port is a multifunction port, please try to charge the Android phone directly through the socket or power bank. Cause 3. Problem with the charging port. The solution is to check the Android phone charging port. If your Android phone charging port has foreign objects or paper scraps in it, it may be due to these effects that the Android phone is plugged in but not charging. Of course, if the Android phone charging port is damaged, the charge will not be transferred from the cable to the phone. You can try blowing air into the charging port to clean out any dust or other foreign objects inside. Finally, try charging again to see if the problem is solved. Cause 4. Operating system failure. The solution is to restart the Android phone. In some cases, the operating system may fail, causing the Android phone battery won't charge problem. This problem may only be temporary, and the best way to solve it is to restart the phone. Restarting the phone will reopen the Android system and software. Here are the steps to restart an Android phone. Press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears, then tap the restart icon or button, and the Android phone will automatically restart to the home page. You can also find the power off icon or button on the restart screen, turn off the Android phone, wait about a minute, and then turn it back on. If it is an operating system failure, restarting the phone will help you fix the Android phone not charging problem. Cause 5. Software is consuming all the phone's resources. The solution is to run the Android phone in safe mode. It's possible that an app on your Android phone is consuming all the resources, and there may be a problem with that app that is causing the Android phone to not charge. If you want to determine the problem, running your Android phone into safe mode is the best way to go. Safe mode allows you to use your phone in its original interface without third-party apps. This means that any apps or downloads that may be affecting your phone can be isolated and prevented from causing the problem, making it easier for you to determine the Android phone stop charging problem. Next, please join me in trying to boot your Android phone into safe mode. Turn off your Android phone. Press and hold the power button and the volume up button until you see recovery mode. In the options given in the menu, use the volume button and the power button to select safe mode. Then, your Android phone will boot into safe mode. If the safe mode message is displayed at the bottom of the screen and the Android phone works normally in safe mode, then the Android phone won't charge is caused by the app. To solve the won't charge problem, find the app that causes the Android phone won't charge and delete it. Once done, hold down the power button and tap restart to reboot your phone back to normal mode. Once the reboot is complete, check to see if your Android phone now appears normal. Cause 6. The battery may be broken. The solution is to professional repair. If your Android phone is a few years old, the battery may have reached the end of its life or has problems. If your Android phone isn't charging at all after trying all the steps above, it may be time to seek professional help. You can take your phone to the nearest official after-sales service center to see if they have any suggestions. If repairs are required and the price of repairs is too high, you can consider buying a new phone. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix an Android phone not charging properly, Feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.